Want to burn something, you need a means of ignition, a flame, a spark, something that gives you that initial spike of heat to start the chain reaction that we call combustion. In rockets, ignition can be tricky, especially when you're injecting freezing cold propellants at insane speeds into a closed chamber, so it's easy to understand the appeal of propellants that don't require ignition. Propellant is a compact word to describe what is used to propel the rocket. In most cases, one of the propellants is a fuel. That can be kerosene, alcohol, gasoline, sugar, toilet paper, literally anything that burns and generates hot gases that you can expel out of a nozzle. To burn those fuels, you need an oxidizer, normally something with oxygen in it, and it can be something as simple as air. Air has oxygen, and that is what jet engines use. But rockets are meant to go to space, and there's no abundance of air in space. So what you need to do is pack air inside of the rocket. The only problem is that air is a gas. It's not very dense and it takes too much space. You can compress it, but even that is not enough to solve the problem. What you need to do is to literally condense it, make it into a liquid. And to do that, you need to cool air to absurdly low temperatures. You can see how this becomes complicated. Sure, make air into a liquid, but now you have this freezing liquid that really doesn't want to be a liquid and will boil off at any chance you give it. Keep in mind that the first use for rockets were missiles, and during the war, you can't really afford to sit around waiting while your propellants boil off. So in the 1940s, scientists had an idea. What if instead of using pure oxygen, we use another compound that has oxygen in it, but it's already a liquid? For example, nitric acid. Nitric acid has 3 very useful oxygen atoms, and it works pretty well as an oxidizer. The only problem is the obvious one. We're talking about nitric acid, and nitric acid corrodes almost every single part on the rocket. It's fine with missiles since the end result destroys the rocket anyway, but for space applications, it's not great.